Dzień dobry.
Dzień
Good
dobry.
morning.
Good morning.
Right. So my friend Fadi gonna leave Poznan and you are going to where, bro?
To Gdańsk.
Gdańsk.
Yeah. Dobra.
You are traveling in the Central Europe countries. Actually, where have you been so far?
I've been to Stockholm, Riga, Tallinn, Budapest, Prague, Bratislava, and Poland.
So this is the last, and
The
then
last one.
tomorrow he's flying to Singapore.
Yeah, holiday ends so fast.
So would you like to recommend your Singaporean friends to visit Poznan or
Yes,
Poland? in
please,
general?
Poland and Poznan, yes, and please look for Winnie and Dana. They are very good hosts. If you want a real Polish experience, come to Poznan. Rest assured, yeah?
I'm escorting the bro to go to his train. Yes, I'm following you, bro, and escorting you to make sure you're safe inside. I keep following you. Okay.
Second class open salon, open cabin.
Okay, let's go. Oh. So the first class is actually at the back, no?
At the very back, yes.
Okay, hodge. Sip ko, bro.
Plenty of time, don't worry.
Okay,
The train leaves at 8:51.
I see. I feel already the vibe of, running for the train.
For the train.
Oh, nice. Oh,
Hi, makan.
okay. Oh, this one also have a dining car, huh? I mean a dining rest. Woo, nice.
Hola, here I am.
Bye. See you again later on in Singapore. Bye. See you again later.
See you later.
Right, so that was a hectic morning actually. And yes, I was in the train station over there. I was there actually in Poznan Główny, sending my friend to go to Gdańsk, and tomorrow he will travel to Singapore. Well, I feel like wake up in the morning and then set everything and then make sure that he's right, safe and sound, and now it's time to have a coffee. So I'm in the Baltic building. I think this one is the brand new central business building here. Let's have a coffee. It is a very hot currently in Poznan, about 30 degree, and then we were rushed like running to the train, and then I feel already like the vibe of traveling. And yeah, now I would like to have a coffee but with the aircon room. I'm looking for the place with aircon room. I think that is the Starbucks for the today, because now it's still early morning, about 9 a.m. in the morning, and I am mostly a coffee shop in the mall, except the McDonald's and everything in Avenida, except McDonald's are open. I don't want to have a coffee in McDonald's, but yeah, not many coffee shops are open early in the morning, close by this area of the Dworzec train station. So I decided to have a morning coffee in Starbucks. Let's go. Look at the mugs here, so cute, with the Poznan logo. And here we are in the Starbucks, and look at the queue, already long. Nice. I have my cinnamon roll in the morning and flat white. So this is how it looks situation in the morning in the Starbucks. Sitting inside aircon. I really like aircon room nowadays, and outside. Some people are working outside, and also smoking. Bro, thank you so much for the Tiger Balm. You know, this one is my lifesaver actually. Whenever I travel far with Damian, I got back pain and something like that, you know, and I got masuk angin. This is the best. So for those of you Singaporean viewers, subscribers, this one is the best of the best product from Singapore that I always recommend to all of my friends whenever travel to Singapore or come from Singapore, to bring this one as the souvenir or oleh-oleh. This is the best one. Even like, you know, I can buy it here in the Chinese shop, but mostly they are coming from the Indian store or something like that. It's not as best as the one coming from Singapore though. So the original Tiger Balm is actually coming from Singapore. Barzo kulit cap. I really recommend it. Again, this is proof me that from YouTube we can build our friendship. It's just like with the bro tadi. I know him actually since I think that he subscribed us from the long time ago until now. We becoming a very good friend. So whenever Damian or I in Singapore, we always contact him, and or vice versa. Whenever he's traveling to you know, Europe or wherever. So we just keep in touch actually. So this is how is friendship that we build through our YouTube channel. So for those of you who doesn't subscribe our YouTube channel yet, you can, you know, check the link here. You can check it here and then press the subscribe button. Press the subscribe button and like and comment. And wherever you are, maybe when we travel somewhere we can meet up just for coffee and talk. And yeah, this is how friendship going. And we always laugh, you know, like who knows, next time you come and live in Europe like us. We just, you know, joke something like that to our friends, because we know that, you know, mostly Singaporean or Indonesian, like, you know, Southeast Asian countries, whenever they want to move to Western countries, they tend to move to Australia because maybe it's closer continents to Southeast Asia. But yeah, we never say never. Who knows? Because Damian now is working in the Targi company, exhibition companies, and he always told me that he is dealing with many expo company coming from China. And our Singaporean friend, he speak a very good Chinese, and because he used to work in China, so yeah, we never say never. Who knows what and how the future brings. I'm walking home. I really like walking in this area. Basically, I can see beautiful Kaminica on the left, on the right, and look at this one. I think this one is just newly refurbished. It's nice. And here on the left, it's just like wooden building, very quite old architecture, but how they maintain it very well. Like this building, it is nice. And I keep walking. And one thing is that the old Kaminica doesn't have any parking lot as the basement. You see, that's why they're parking on the street. And look at this architecture building. Nice old architecture building, but now it's turns into sets skole. It means like kindergarten school. See, it's nice with the door, wooden door. And here is the another Kaminica. As you see the year on the top, 1902. It's actually 100 years old building. Nice. I think this is the beauty of the Poznan cities. They still have the old buildings Kaminica like this, but at the same time they also have a brand new building. So I just, you know, enjoy the building architecture, the statue and the door. something like this. Yesterday when we walked together, and my friend was amazed, like when we crossed the street, what? The car stop? Yes. The thing here that I really like about living in Poznan, in Poland in general, is that it is good for the pedestrian like me who likes to walk. Currently in Bali, I don't really like to walk because we didn't have a proper pedestrian. But here I walk a lot. So when we cross the street, it's just like in 10 meters from the zebra cross, the car has to stop and let the pedestrian crossing the street. It's nice. Just like this one. So this gonna be a brand new apartment building, and the height of the building is actually the same height as the Kamienica next door. You see, this one is the complex of Kamienica, mostly like 4-story building with a wooden door like this one. Nice. And next to it is the brand new one, and I hope that the brand new one has a parking lot. So the thing is about the Kamienica is that just because of they don't have a parking lot, that's why, you know, so many cars parking outside. You see this one, and this one is the complex of Kamienica, and another Kamienica from the Gothic era. So just like this. And here is the traditional market. Yay, we are in Rynek Jasicki, my favorite one. And this is how it looks, my daily life. Flower shop, clothes shop, old traditional and modern Policities. See, this is what I told you. When we walk, car has to stop. Even this one stop. It's time to go home. We are in Kościelna Street already. It's called Kościelna because of the Kościół in the front. Kościół means the church. This is the beauty of the Polish cities actually, and that's in front of me. There is the church, Kościół, and next to it is the Kamienica, and here is the traffic situation, and next to me is the brand new apartment. So you see that it's not that so high, and with the I think that this one with the Kamienica concept as well. And the brand new Kamienica, I think that they have a parking down there. So this area actually like a mix of the old and modern at the same time. Church, and that behind is a brand new apartment. So yeah, that's it, my neighborhood. Here in Poland, solarium is very popular. Solarium is just like you can get inside the room and then you can have a tan skin. So once again, if you have a tan skin, you are exotic. It's totally different. The beauty standard is actually different, I guess. But meanwhile, back in Bali, in Asia, Southeast Asia, if you have a dark skin, the darker skin you have, the uglier you are. The whiter skin you are, the more beautiful. So something like that. Time to go home. Basically, I think that's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching, and tomorrow I think that Damian and I, we will go to the one city in between in between Warsaw and Katowice. I forgot what's the name, but Damian gonna have a work exhibition over there basically. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.